Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create an account on GoCrypto application. If you are looking for a way to create a new account and get started on GoCrypto, first of all, download and install the GoCrypto application from your Google Play Store or App Store and launch it open. Upon launching it open, you'll receive $5,000 capital you can start from, and once you accept it, you'll be taken to the lobby page. From the lobby page, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon and it'll open up settings. Click on the sign up button to start creating a new account. Now, you can continue signing up with Google account or email. Choose any one method. I'm clicking on continue with email. On the next page, you'll need to enter your name under the registration tab. On the next field, enter your email address and then create a strong password in the password field. Finally, click on sign up. Now, on the next page, you'll be sent a verification code on your provided email. Go ahead and check the inbox. Open up the email from GoCrypto and you will receive a 6-digit code. Go ahead and type it down exactly as it is. Now click next at the bottom of the screen and then claim your rewards or bonuses, and there you have successfully signed up. Once everything is done, your GoCrypto account is ready to use. You can now explore crypto payments, transactions, and more right from your device. Take your time exploring the app, and there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.